Hello everybody, so today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about the integral. We have the integral of the x over x squared multiplied with the square root of 16 minus x squared. So I will show you the technique how to answer the question. We need to use about integration by trigonometric substitution. So we put about s equal to 4 sine t, ds equal to 4 cosine t dt. So we put this one in here. So you got about 16 sine t squared. Similar for this one. ds we change for this one. Next, the square root of number 16 we put outside. So you got about number 4. 4 divided by 4, they will cancel. Next, we have sine t squared plus cosine t squared equal number 1. So we got about 1 minus sine t squared equal to cosine t squared. We put this one in here. The square root of cosine t squared, you got about cosine t. Cosine t, they will cancel. And now we can get the final answer. The integral of dt over sine t squared, you got about 1 over 16 multiplied with negative cotangent t plus c. About t, we need to change back for s. So that should be about t equal to r sine. And we have divided by 4, you got about s over 4. We put this one in here. And this is the final answer. That's the end. Thank you for watching.